logical operators are mostly utilized when we want to combine the conditional statements and make decisions based on multiple conditions. So if at all I want to join two or more conditions, we basically take the help of logical operators. And in logical operators, we have AND, which is going to return true if both the conditions are true. For example, here I am writing x equal to 5. So 5 is definitely represent a numeric value, and y equal to 3 is also a numeric value. And we have two conditions here. You can see x greater than y. So 5 greater than 3, this returns here true. And x not equal to y, 5 not equal to 3, this is also true. So when we are joining both of them with the help of AND, so the output is true because both the conditions are true. If we write any one of them, if we find any one of them is false, then ultimately the result is going to be false. Whereas in logical OR, the final result will be true if either of the condition is true. Say I am taking 5 and 3 once again for x and y. So x greater than y, this is true. But x equal to y, this is here false because 5 equal to 3 is false. Now because we have joined with the help of OR, because one of the condition has become true, hence the final outcome is also true. Now coming to your logical NOT, it will return true if the condition is false. If the condition is true, then it is going to return false, the vice versa. Say we are going for 5 and 3 respectively for values of x and y. When I am writing x greater than y, so I know that 5 greater than 3 is true. But when we are joining with NOT, so not true, it resulting a false. So if you see here, we have taken x equal to 5, y equals to 3. So when I am checking x greater than y and x not equal to y, because first condition is true and the second condition is also true, hence the final result is true. Now when I am going for x greater than y and x equal to y, so this condition is true but this condition becoming false. And when we are joining with AND, if both the conditions are not true, then the resultant will be false. Now coming to this one where I am using OR, x greater than y, that is 5 greater than 3 is true. So because this condition is true, then this is never being tested. So in case of OR, if the first condition is becoming true, the second condition is never being tested and the resultant that we get is true. In case the first condition becomes false, then only the second condition is tested. If then the condition is true, then the final one is true. Otherwise, it will be false. Now, NOT has only to change the condition true to false and false to true. Now, x less than y, that is 5 less than 3 is false. When I say not false, the ultimate result is your true.